Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Let's talk about crypto because the cryptocurrency is going to be the only market that's going to be open over Thanksgiving weekend. So expect some major movements, but more importantly, let's talk about the next hot crypto after Bitcoin that's about to explode. Ethereum is about to party, and you need to know what's gonna come. Let's jump right into the charts. This is the chart of Ethereum. You can see the amazing up move after the Trump election. However, if we zoom out, just please focus on the red line, you can see that we are reaching this long-term downtrend that's still intact. However, please note, the overall trend in Ethereum is up. We are making higher lows long term. We are above the 50. This is this purple line right here, the 50-day moving average. And as you can see in the past, this has been very reliable. If we're above it, prices go up. If we go below it, prices go down. That's the time to go short, not now. Look at the past. We're above it, you ride the up wave. It breaks below the 50, you go short. Up, 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 up. It breaks below it, you ride the short wave. You ride the short wave. You ride the short wave, you ride the up wave, you ride the up wave. Now we're in an up wave. Now, are we overextended short term? Absolutely. And we're reaching the resistance of the long-term downtrend. So we have to expect that a correction is coming. We see a negative divergence in the RSI already, though that's not that significant with crypto. However, we want to notice it. You can see here's the high of the RSI, but Ethereum went higher, but we got a lower high in the RSI. Weakness, this shows weakness. Correction is coming. However, don't expect a major correction because overall sentiment is bullish. It's a risk-on environment. Cryptos are doing well in risk-on environment. I expect a correction to this area here, this support area max, probably to the upper end. So 3150 is the zone that I am eyeing for an entry. The lower band is 3130. If you want to really squeeze out every last ounce of this correction, please note and learn from Bitcoin and 100,000, which we never reached. Don't try to time the cryptos to the last dollar, right? Don't try to be the smart ass that's like, I'm gonna put my order in at 3,010 cents. The cryptos have the tendency to stop before they reach the round numbers because some of the smart money likes to put their buy or sell orders above the round numbers because they know that's where all the buying orders from the retail investors sit. So we're expecting a short-term correction. That's highly likely. However, this is a buying opportunity as sentiment is overall clearly bullish, and this is the interesting part. We are entering the most spectacular seasonal period for Ethereum overall. So you need to know that with Ethereum, the fall is usually kind of weak and dull. Then December is good, but then January, February, March, sometimes into May, that's when Ethereum really parties. And this is what we're seeing right now. Look at this. The fall, kind of dull. We went sideways. Nothing really happened. Now we're starting to pick up, but let me show you what we saw in the past. And this is where my beautiful drawings come in. Let's start with the yellow areas. This is the fall. Sideways, nothing happened. We went down, nothing happened. We went up, but nothing compared to what happened December to March. This purple area, Look how Ethereum partied there. Look how Ethereum partied here. These were the highest gains of all of 23. These are the most spectacular gains in all of 24. 2022, different beast. We know this was the bear market in the crypto, so this doesn't really count. But 2021, right? Sideways correction in the fall, monster party, December through March. So the seasonality tells us that party time is coming for Ethereum. Any correction in Ethereum now is a buying opportunities. We saw huge transactions in the 2-time leveraged Ethereum ETF. That's not retail money, that's institutional money. They're positioning themselves as well. So should you. So now all that's left to say, I wish you a really great Thanksgiving. I love college football. I wish your college football team all the best, unless you're rooting for Georgia Tech, because I root for the University of Georgia, and we're going to beat the nerds. They're going to cry until the next Comic-Con. It's going to be great. Have a great Thanksgiving, and go Dogs.